Good morning from Edmonton, Alberta, Canada. We are getting an early start. 5:30 a.m. here. Bill's gonna be hooking up the camper and we're hitting the road for about a 10-hour drive day to hit the Alaskan Highway, which starts in Canada, crosses into Alaska. Today is June 13th, our official first day driving together. We wanted to do high-low buffalo from yesterday. So what was your high yesterday, Bill?
Picking my sweetheart up at the airport.
I would definitely say my high was being able to be together and start this trip. How about your low?
Driving in the Edmonton traffic, going to Costco and Walmart. Driving around. The town's not made for big trucks.
High-low was a 3-hour mechanical delay at CWA in Mosinee. We had an airplane part that needed to be fixed, and we were supposed to leave at 7 a.m. and didn't leave until 10 a.m. But all went well, and we made it. And how about your buffalo?
I would say probably my surprise how good the poutine was at Dairy Queen.
My buffalo was getting to both malls, the Mall of America in Minneapolis and the Edmonton Mall, which is the largest mall in North America. And we had a good time. It was a fun tour of the mall yesterday. They had an ice rink, water park, a replica of Christopher Columbus's ship. What else do they have? A bourbon street with all kinds of restaurants and bars in the mall. It was fun.
All right.
We're off.
We'll see you.
Little breakfast in Whiteport.
Yeah.
Little breakfast pizza and some muffins from Costco. We are about 70 miles from Dawson Creek, which is great. We're going to head to a Walmart there, get some eggs for the next week, and we had a pretty good drive today. Saw about three deer. Had some pretty good sized hills. Saw a really big railroad trestle that we'll have on the film, or you already saw. That'll be behind us. So how was your drive? Good. Listen to some podcasts, music, do a little chatting, catching up, took a nap. Went into 2 Canadian gas stations today, and 2 immediate things to notice are their snacks are different, their drinks are different. They have different flavored sodas, different flavored chips. Day 1, June 13th, of our Canadian travel.
All right, see you tomorrow.
Creek.
Yeah, we finally made it.
Start of the Alaskan Highway.
About 1,900 miles. Mwah. Hopefully we make it all the way. See ya.
This is the start of our 10-year dream that we've wanted to come to Alaska for vacation. Starts today.
It does. And where are we at?
Start of the
Ooh.
Alaskan Highway in Dawson Creek, Canada, British Columbia.
Here we are, mile marker 0.
Dawson Creek, British Columbia. Here we go. Tim Hortons. Everywhere in Canada. Gotta try it.